Critical Reading and Comprehension by Angie.
And Caitlin.
How are zombies different from vampires? According to Classroom, the passion of zombies is always communal. If you are interested in zombies, you are interested in the way they move, how to kill them, what they signify, or how to deal with an apocalypse. It is difficult to add characteristics to a creature which cannot talk, does not think, and its only desire is to eat humans. As far as characteristics go, some zombies are fast and some are slow. Therefore, you cannot say you like one zombie more than the other because they all act the same. Nowadays, people are more interested in zombies because it's something they can relate to. For example, killing a zombie is very time consuming and tedious, which is similar to deleting a million work emails on a Monday morning. On the other hand, vampires do have characteristics because they are very much alive. Unlike zombies, who are wordless, brain dead creatures, a lot of the time vampires are disguised as humans. It is possible to have an interest in one specific vampire character because they can talk, have a personality, are attractive, or you can relate to their character. For example, characters like Edward from Twilight or even Dracula could be someone's favorite vampire because they can be multidimensional. The spike in vampire interest is only because of the platform of the movie Twilight. Its popularity was based off the looks of the cast and the fact that you can read the long novel at a fast rate. Why are these distinctions important? These differences are important to his argument because he is explaining how dead and thoughtless zombies are compared to vampires who have personalities and are alive. He is trying to emphasize the fact that life is brain dead like zombies. He argued that humans have created a different image for zombies, which explains how they became more relevant. They remind people of their normal lives. Life has become more like a zombie fight. People work on getting through what's in front of them so they can continue on to the next step. Zombies aren't difficult to kill, it's the numbers that overwhelm characters in a movie, which can relate to homework building up and overwhelming students.
Classification and division is grouping subjects, events, or people into categories and subgroups based on common characteristics. Classification and division is a type of rhetorical device that can be used to give more specific information and examples to be less broad and vague when explaining a point. A main point that the author discusses is that zombies are becoming more intriguing in society due to them becoming more relatable to real life. The author gave the example of popular monsters and how they gained their popularity since they can be the personification of fears. Some examples of this would be Frankenstein's monster, representing the science that is unknown, Godzilla representing the fear of the atomic age, and zombies being the embedded anxiety about diseases. Zombies could be more likable since they can be related to fears and help people cope with said fears. Zombies can be used as metaphors to real life. Some of the things that zombies can help show are repetitive behavior, such as slaughtering zombies, to filling papers just to get more papers. Battling zombies can be compared to arguments on social media or even politics, and the fear of consumption, which is the fear of being eaten by zombies, being compared to being hyper focused on social media endlessly.
The categories that you create, however, depend on your purpose for doing the categorization in the first place. In other words, what is it you're trying to show, or what is it that you want to know? Let's use this example. How many men and women are in class? Let's say that the college is doing some demographic studies and they want to find out, exactly how many men and women do we have in classes and certain classes and whatever. All right. In that case, our division, of course, would be students as our group, and we divide them into the two categories, males and females.